We hit 90 yesterday. It was pretty nice. And now today we have the clouds back. Ugh, I know. It's not going to be as warm as yesterday, but we will get some sunshine as we go into the afternoon today. So it's a bit of a cloudy start, but there is some sun starting to break through the clouds as you look off towards New York State. Temperatures in the Queen City are in the middle 60s already this morning, and that's the same case in Plattsburgh. Montreal now down to 68, and most of us are somewhere in the 60s, the middle to even the upper 60s in far southeastern Vermont. And that's where we're finding the steadiest rain actually on Storm Tracker. We'll take a bit of a tour here. You see these shades of yellows and even some oranges. That's telling us the rain is really falling at a pretty heavy rate from Rutland to Lebanon and as far south as Keene. Seeing some of the steadiest activity, and that's right ahead of a warm front across parts of New York State into parts of Massachusetts. That front will stay just to our south today. It's actually a cold front into parts of Quebec and Ontario that'll actually begin to work its way south as we go into the evening hours tonight. So that'll focus some more showers and storms later on this evening, and those continue actually through tomorrow as well. So this weekend, not the nicest, but it does turn warmer and drier next week. And the really nice note too, the 4th of July does look drier. We'll talk about that in just a moment here. Here's a look at the severe threat level today. I mentioned that we have some thunderstorms later on this afternoon. It looks like it's a low threat, a 1 out of 5. So that's good news, but there will be a few stronger storms as we go into the afternoon hours. We'll stop the clock at 2 here on Futurecast. You notice a few sprinkles of red here telling us the thunderstorm threat will be more scattered, more than a widespread confined threat for that matter into Vermont. I think we'll find a few storms in both Vermont and northern New York. A bit of a break in the action tonight, and then another round of storms right along the Canadian border overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. So I think the best threat for thunder tonight will be across both northern Vermont and northern New York. A few showers still left over first thing tomorrow morning, and then a second front comes through in the afternoon. So I think we'll find a few more showers and storms capable of producing some small hail and gusty winds across southern Vermont Sunday afternoon before you start to dry things up as we go into Sunday evening. So the thunder threat is highest across, well, through the rest of today for much of the region, and then it's a medium both tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening as the storm threat begins to diminish towards the south. So highs today, the middle and upper 70s and lower 80s, 80 in Springfield, 82 in Bellows Falls, the middle 80s in Brattleboro. I think we'll hit the lower 80s along the shores of Lake Champlain, both on the Vermont side and the New York side. 80 in Keysville, 81 in Plattsburgh, and the upper 70s expected in Potsdam. Now, the other note for next week, it turns humid around here, especially for the second half of next week. These are the shades of greens and yellows telling us it's more humid starting on Thursday, and then we get the reds in here into the Champlain Valley and even some parts of southern Vermont starting early on Friday and continuing to Saturday with dew points in the middle 70s. It is going to feel a lot stickier around here for the second half of next week. So enjoy the nicer weather to start things off next week. It's going to be pretty comfortable and even sunny for that matter. So again, showers and storms today and tomorrow. Monday looks great, highs in the lower 80s, maybe a stray shower on Tuesday, and then July 3rd, that's the fireworks in Burlington, looks great. Temperatures in the middle 80s. And again, the note for the 4th, it looks dry at least through midday or so, and then a few showers and storms may bubble up in the afternoon. It also feels like summer too, highs in the upper 80s before more showers and even some strong storms arrive Friday and Saturday of next week.